Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for trade license renewal online. This process is designed to be straightforward, allowing you to maintain your business's legal standing with ease. We'll walk through each step, from preparing your documents to submitting your application and making the payment. Renewing your trade license online saves you time and ensures continuous compliance with local regulations. Let's get started on keeping your business operations smooth and uninterrupted. Before you begin the online renewal, it's crucial to have all your documents in order. You'll need your current trade license details, proof of your business address, and your business's PAN card and GST registration. Some municipalities also require a recent property tax receipt. Make sure these documents are scanned clearly and saved in a readily accessible digital format, typically PDF, to ensure a smooth upload process during your application. Once you've gathered your documents, head to the official municipal portal and log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Find the trade license renewal option, usually under Citizen Services, and input your existing license number. The system will often pre-fill some of your business details. Review these carefully and update any information that has changed. Then, proceed to upload your prepared documents, ensuring each file meets the specified size and format requirements. The final step involves paying the renewal fees. The system will calculate the exact amount based on your business type and location. You'll typically have several online payment options, including credit card or e-check. After a successful transaction, you'll receive a confirmation and a digital receipt. It's important to download and save this receipt, along with your renewed trade license certificate, for your records. Some renewals are instant, while others may take a few days for verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.